Greetings, CannaChefMD here, cooking, learning, laughing with Dr. Les. Today we're going to be unboxing with Dr. Les. This is something really special. It was a gift from my children, all 8 of them pitched in, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing with a Cratejoy product. Shout out Cratejoy. It is a cool service where basically you get 7 albums every month. For 3 months is what my subscription was, but they're random. You don't know what they are. You don't know what condition they are. They're just random. So we're going to be unboxing. CannaChefMD, join my channels, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. Yes. Unboxing with Dr. Les. Need some scissors. Right up. I don't know whether it's going to be anything that is going to be. This is Cratejoy. All right, the first album is called Weather Report by Henry Weather. Looks pretty cool. I'll go through all of it, but basically they all look. This is basically a vinyl. Next one is the Charlie Daniels Band. Yes, sir. Million Mile Reflections. There we go. All right. Harold Melvin and the Blues Notes. Pretty cool. Oh my gosh. Our parents would have loved this. They did love Dean Martin. Everybody loves Somebody, the hit version. I like it. I like it. All right, now is John Mayhall, U.S. Union. Never heard of him, but many people have, obviously. The next one is called the Spectrum of Music One Level. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, this is a really good one. It's not in very good condition, that's okay. It's Linda Ronstadt, a retrospective. This is, I think, no, it's just one vinyl. It's just got some liner notes. That's what it looks like, a little dusty. I've got a little contraption, a little brush that I can brush these off with, but that is unboxing. Shout out to my children, all 8 of them. I love it, Cratejoy. Let's do this thing, do the work, come on. CannaChefMD, cooking and learning with Dr. Les. Boom!